Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get a refund on TikTok Shop. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained everything about returning items on TikTok Shop. Can you return TikTok Shop items? Yes, you can return TikTok item shop items. Rest assured that if your product has arrived and it's not as expected, doesn't fit, or there is something wrong, you can send it back to the seller. However, there are some specific conditions that you'll want to consider before doing so. Let's look at the return policy so you don't encounter red block or hurdles. What is TikTok Shop return policy? Regarding the TikTok Shop return policy, you can initiate a return once the item has been marked as shipped. However, a 30 days countdown begins once the status changes to delivered after 30 days. You must contact the seller directly and work with them on a return. If you are returning your product because you had a change of mind, the shipping fee is placed on the customer unless otherwise agreed upon by the seller or TikTok Shop has granted you a free return. How to cancel an order on TikTok Shop. Here is how to cancel an order on TikTok Shop. Open the TikTok app and access to the shop. Select orders and locate the order you wish to cancel. Click on the item and select cancel order. Signal that you want to cancel and list a reason. However, remember that the power to cancel an order isn't strictly limited to buyers. Sellers can cancel orders if you don't provide payment information to ship within 72 hours of ordering. If there was an obvious mistake in price, for example, luxury goods being sold for only £1, or if the seller experiences unforeseen changes in their stock. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.